principals, beloved teachers, and all my dear friends. A very good morning to all of you. I, Nikhil Kevat of Standard 10, studying in Navodaya English High School and Junior College, would like to give a tribute to our Corona warriors, to the doctors, nurses, police staff, and the people who were serving the needy people in the war against the COVID 19 Corona period. Friends, the COVID 19 outbreak has brought our lives to a standstill and has confronted the entire world with a crisis like ever before, redefining the way we existed. With numerous businesses across the world having had to pull out their shutters down and the most of the countries in the world being under a lockdown, the economy has taken a severe hit, forcing everyone to fight against the pandemic in the best way they can. Amidst extended nationwide lockdowns, social distancing was emerged as a new norm, and the most of us enjoy the privilege of staying at homes and staying safe. However, in the wake of this unpredictable calamity, the medical community, including doctors, nurses, and the medical staff, are the true warriors who are fighting this disease on the forefront and the front line and pulling their own lives at a risk to keep us safe. While the deadly virus has brought attention to the inadequacy in the healthcare sector across the globe, doctors and healthcare workers have been risking their lives to save all of us. They are also risking the lives of their family members, and which indeed is a huge sacrifice. Every day, the selfless warriors are giving it their all in the healthcare settings while cutting off themselves from their family and loved ones. The sacrifice that they are making for the safety and welfare of the humanity is priceless and deserves lifelong gratitude on our end. Most importantly, we must reassess the value of healthcare workers hold in our life and the kind of treatment they get from us. Among the several lessons this coronavirus pandemic has been teaching us, the biggest one is to find out ways to sufficiently invest in the better and the more efficient medical fraternity and give medical professionals the respect, compensation, and infrastructure that they truly deserve once this. Needless to say, doctors, nurses, and people working in the healthcare sector are particularly vulnerable to the highly infectious diseases. In reason to the global pandemic, the under-resourced doctors are facing unprecedented challenges. The list of sleep disordered heroic, including doctors, nurses, medical cleaners, pathologists, paramedics, ambulance drivers, and healthcare administrators. In the fight against coronavirus, the brave medical army stands strong with thermometers, stethoscopes, and ventilators as their weapons. Not to forget, medical researchers are also working in the night out against odds. Not to forget that our medical researchers and all our scientists too are serving the country and trying to get a permanent and a very effective solution to get a firm relief from this virus. We must applaud the heroic efforts of the courageous and inspiring doctors across the globe who are working to save the lives of COVID 19 patients despite the high risk of infection. At last, the war against the COVID 19 coronavirus is still going on, but being a citizens of a country, please to follow the guidelines of the government. Apply mask, stay indoor, and always wash your hands with the soap or with the hand wash at fixed intervals. Say no to the community gatherings and maintain social distancing. Thank you.